Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I just wanted to come and do a unboxing of my hair inventory with me. I am super excited. I have launched Pure Luxe hair extensions. The website is in the works, but go ahead and go follow us on Instagram at Pure Luxe Hair Extensions. Again, that is Pure Luxe Hair Extensions on Instagram. So I did an extensive amount of research and I was confused, like, how much inventory do you buy, right? So I end up purchasing, so I have three textures. I have a deep wave, a natural wave, and a straight, all in raw and virgin Vietnamese hair. So it's hard starting out because it's like you don't know what you're gonna sell. You don't know what your customers want. You don't know, you just don't know, right? Like, so hard. And it's like you don't want to spend all of this money on inventory that you're gonna struggle with selling first starting off. And I watched a lot of videos on like how to start your hair company with zero money down. And I just like the whole drop shipping thing. I feel like for me, starting out, like I wanted to market within my city in Ohio, start selling, and then once I get my website built, start pushing my hair products on my website. So for me, I wanted to have products on hand since I knew I was going to be trying to market in my city. So what I did was I ordered 6 bundles of each texture from link 16 through 26. And typically we know that women or men buy hair in bundles and sets, typically staggered length. So what I did was I bought a 16, 18, and 20, and then I bought a 20, then I bought a 22, a 24, and 26 of each texture. Then I also bought a 16 and 18 inch 5x5 HD lace closure and a 13 by 6 frontal in inches 16 for each texture as well. So I wanted to show you guys doing a little unboxing of my hair. I'm super excited. This is my hair that I am wearing. Love it. Minimal shedding. And I'm not going to sit here and say my hair doesn't shed because everybody's hair sheds. Our natural hair sheds. But this hair is like literally minimal shedding. Like I ran my fingers through and didn't get any strands. And let me let y'all in on a secret. I have not washed his hair in a week. I was even in the pool and it is still doing amazing. Like I have not washed his hair in a week, and I even got in the pool with this hair and just threw it up in a ponytail and let it out and dry, and this is what it's given. Okay, so let me go ahead and show y'all these bundles because I'm super excited. And if I must be transparent, like I am so nervous about this journey. I feel like just being an entrepreneur, it's a lot of work. So shout out to all the entrepreneurs out there. Girl, you got this. You're doing your thing, and we're all going to be successful. So here's the first bundle. This is our natural wave, our Vietnamese raw natural wave. It is full from root to tips. Super flowy, and this is a 26 inch, so comes all the way down to my hip. So this is our Vietnamese natural wave. Get into this. Like, oh my god, it's so amazing. Like, I'm super excited. And these bundles are super full, y'all. Like, this is an 18, and it's super duper full. Super full. And I have 2 bundles of 18 and a 5x5 closure in my head right now. Like, and y'all see how full it is. I like a natural look, so this is like perfect for me. So again, this is our raw Vietnamese natural wave. We have our deep wave. Let's get into it, y'all. I'm like super excited. Again, minimal shedding. I don't want to like disturb the bundles too much because I will be selling these. But no smell at all. Again, full root to tip. These are the wefts. Then we have last but not least our straight bundles. Nice natural luster. Again, full from root to tip. The wefts. I am like super excited to start this journey. Y'all don't even know. It's been something I have been thinking about for a while. Just always would talk myself out of it, never have the courage to start. And this year I was just like, you know what, it makes sense for me. I wear weave all the time. Like, it makes sense to invest into myself, into something that I can have to pass down. It makes sense for me to invest. It has been hard work though, if I can be completely transparent. A lot of research. So it's been super duper hard, but I am super excited for this new journey for me. And you know, cannot wait to see what Pure Luxe has in store. So go ahead and go follow us on Instagram, again, at Pure Luxe Hair Extensions, and see what we have in store for you all. And I'm super excited to be embarking on this new hair journey as an entrepreneur. So just wanted to come on and show an unboxing of our extensions. And again, far as like what I ordered for inventory, if you're new starting out, because it's hard trying to adjust to what you are going to sell and what you need to buy. So again, what I did was I bought 6 bundles of each texture that I'm going to sell. That way I can have it on hand. Again, my plan is to market in my city and then hopefully expand from there. So if you guys want to see more videos about the process and me going through this entrepreneurial thing with my hair company, go ahead and like this button, subscribe, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye.